Hello friends, I am Dr. Pratishtha Nitin Nagne, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Dada Patil Mahavidyalaya, Karjat. As we know that the angiospermic plants are seed bearing and flower bearing plant. They have a characteristic feature that is male and female reproductive organs present in them. They are known as androecium and gynoecium. Androecium, it is made up of filament and anther with the connective, and they produces a pollen grain as a male gametophyte, while the female reproductive organ, it is called as gynoecium. Gynoecium, it is made up of style, stigma and ovary, and inside the ovary there are production of ovules. They are called as female gametophyte. In them they contain a female gamete as a egg cell. What is fertilization? Fertilization, it is the union of male gamete with the female gamete to form the embryo. It is called as fertilization. As we all know that in angiosperm, they are containing a double fertilization which produces first fertilization result shows its embryo, and second fertilization which is occurs in between centrally placed secondary nucleus, that is the 2n number of chromosomes present in them, as well as they produces a fertilization second time, that is called as double fertilization. The secondary nucleus, they are fuses with the second male gamete which is delivered by the pollen tube, and it is converted into the zygote. In post-fertilization changes, this zygote develops into the embryo, and embryo which produces one or two cotyledons in them. We will see it here. So, this is the development of embryo. The embryo in angiosperms, it may be a dicot embryo and monocot embryo. As the cell, which is the formation of zygote, it is the process of fertilization. It is the union of male gamete with the female gamete to form the zygote, and post fertilization changes made the zygote into the embryo develops from the zygote, which is divided by mitotically into the suspensor cell and embryo cell. Embryo cell goes on anticlinal and peniclinal divisions to form a 8-celled structure, then 16 celled structure. In between these two there are linear fashioned cells are formed. It is called as suspensor. The upper cell, it is called as haustorial cell. It remains as it is suspensor elongated and pushes the embryo into the cotyledons. Thus to the center there is a formation of plumule. Due to stopping of the cell division, there is an enlargement of two cotyledons, and that is the characteristic feature of two cotyledons.